Nasa 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 tayo. So yung 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 may kasamang LCD TV, then may refrigerator din. Then actually yung 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪 dito sa Andana Beach Resort, 2 for 3 packs. So ito may 2 beds, so 2 layer dito. Then of course air condition. Okay, then may complimentary bottled waters din and coffee. Okay, may electric kettle. And ito yung the usual toiletries pero may Andana branding. Okay, may service phone din if you need assistance. Okay, tapos may pa-tissue. Ito yung view natin from our pod. Okay, so sobrang ganda ng view. Okay, then may pa-welcome drinks din sila na yung sa akin naubos ko na. Ito yung kayo dyan. Okay. So, ang pod dito is 4,300 pesos. Pero we got this at 3,168 pesos kasi ginamitan ko ng PWD card. So, may PWD discount tayo. So, sobrang ganda ng view dito. Okay. Okay, isa pa pala is yung toilet and bath. So, shared toilet and bath. Dalawang pods ang mag-share dito sa toilet and bath. Pero not bad na din.